Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Toffee. Today I am going to show you how to download and configure Elasticsearch in Windows environment. For this, what you have to do is go to your browser and search Elasticsearch download. I will also give the path in the description of the video. So just click on the first link. So current release is 6.6.0. Now here just click on Windows download and it will start downloading Elasticsearch in Windows environment. Once the download completes, go to your downloads folder and extract this Elasticsearch zip file. Once the folder extract completes, just go inside the folder. So what you have to do is to start this, go inside the Elasticsearch folder, go inside the bin folder, copy this URL, run command prompt as admin, change the directory to the URL that we just copied, type cd space /d. Since you are using in admin mode, you have to write /d and paste it. Paste the full URL till bin and press enter. Now type elasticsearch.bat and it will start the Elasticsearch service on your desktop Windows environment. And once, if you are using it for the first time, it will take some time. Let it start. Once the command prompt said it started, the Elasticsearch services started on your machine. Now what you have to do to confirm that is go to your web browser, type localhost colon 9200. So 9200 is the default port for Elasticsearch and localhost is the default IP address or the host name. Press enter and you will see a JSON like this which has a name, cluster and all those things. So this says that the Elasticsearch service is running on your machine. Thank you.